Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. The Hong Kong Observatory issued a typhoon warning, signal number 3, on Friday morning as tropical storm Lion Rock moved towards the vicinity of Hainan Island. The signal issued at 4:40 a.m. meant that the winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour were expected in Hong Kong. Under the combined effects of Lion Rock and the northeast monsoon, winds were generally strong over the coast of southern China, with occasional gales offshore and on high ground, the observatory said in its weather bulletin. The typhoon signal number 3 was expected to remain in force today and overnight tonight, the HKO said. At 1 p.m., Lion Rock was estimated to be about 610 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong and is forecast to move north at about 10 kilometers per hour towards the vicinity of Hainan Island. Heavy rain and strong winds were expected into the weekend as the storm edges closer to the southern China coast. A worker died and the 3 others were rescued by the emergency services after a massive scaffolding around a high-rise residential building in Hong Kong collapsed on Friday morning under the onslaught of the heavy rain and strong winds brought by the tropical storm. Police said 2 women working on the site at the Beverly Hills estate on Broadwood Road in the Happy Valley were found at the scene, one of whom was pulled unconscious from the debris while the other was unhurt. Torrential downpours prompted the Hong Kong Observatory to upgrade its rainstorm warning at 11:45 a.m. on Friday to black, the highest level and one that was last issued on June 28th. The warning was downgraded to red an hour later, with heavy rain still lashing the city, and was again lowered to amber at 5:45 p.m. local time. Earlier, with tropical storm Lion Rock skirting Hong Kong, the observatory issued a number 3 typhoon signal, which was expected to remain in force for most of the day. A day later, Lion Rock will be 50 kilometers to the east of Bach Long Vue Island off Hai Phong before weakening into a tropical depression and making landfall over the northern and north central regions. Under its influence, the northern and central regions would see the winds of up to 75 kilometers per hour and rough seas with waves as tall as 4 meters, the Weather Bureau said. Lion Rock is the 7th storm over the East Sea this year. In the next 24 to 48 hours, it will shift northwest and move towards the Bach Long Vue Island of the northern city of Hai Phong by 7 a.m. on Sunday, with winds at 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. Medium to heavy rains of 50 to 100 millimeters were forecasted to dampen localities from north-central Quang Binh province to central Quang Nguai province on Friday. Downpours of 100 to 250 millimeters will lash northern Vietnam from October 9 to 12. Between October 10 to 12, rainfall of 150 to 350 millimeters will also batter the remaining provinces in the north-central region. The weather pattern will pose a high risk of flash floods and landslides in mountainous areas and inundation in low-lying areas. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.